How to get $100 in Temu 2024. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be quickly talking about how you're going to get $100 in Temu in 2024. Now, if you want to use Temu for yourself, what you're going to want to do is check the link down in the description below where you can easily create an account that's going to give you free accessibilities and a whole lot more. Now, once you've created an account using the link in the description to get $100 in Temu, basically right now Temu is giving you a proper coupon offer, okay? And you can go over to temu.com/coupons, and over there you're going to see they're going to give you $100 coupon bundle. Now, basically this is for the app new users only, and you can use this coupon on all products, okay? Now, it might differ on regions, okay? So in the case that you don't live in the United States or the United Kingdom or anywhere near those regions, you might not be able to access this code, but that's not an issue. Simply use a United States VPN and they're going to give you the $100 coupon bundle. So once you've gotten this, simply click on Get It Now. Now, on your PC apps, they are going to say that you can use it with the app bundle only. So simply go over to your app, scan this QR code, and you should get the $100 coupon bundle on Temu. So that is how you're going to get $100 in Temu. And again, if you want to use Temu for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.